Imagine a world shrouded in eternal darkness, a place so alien it might as well be another planet. This isn't science fiction. It's the deep sea right here on Earth. Today, we're diving into the abyss, a realm of crushing pressure and freezing temperatures, to uncover the real-life monsters that lurk in the shadows. Get ready, because what you're about to see will challenge everything you thought you knew about life on this planet. Our first stop is nearly 4,000 meters down. Scientists on an expedition were stunned when they pulled up a creature with no visible eyes. No gills, not even a mouth at first glance. They called it the Faceless cuskeel. It's like something straight out of a nightmare, a pale gelatinous fish that seems to have had its features completely erased. How does it navigate, eat, or even sense its surroundings? It turns out, its mouth is hidden underneath its body, perfectly adapted for scooping up food from the seafloor. It's a haunting reminder that in the deep, life finds a way, often in the most bizarre forms imaginable. Next, we encounter a creature that truly defies belief, the barrel-eye fish. Imagine a fish with a completely transparent head. You can literally see its brain and internal structures. But the strangest part? Its eyes are two glowing green orbs located inside its head, pointing straight up. They act like built-in telescopes, scanning the darkness above for the faint silhouettes of prey. When it spots a meal, its eyes can rotate forward, allowing it to strike with incredible precision. It's a living, swimming marvel of biological engineering, a water monster with a crystal skull. As we go deeper, the creatures get even weirder. Picture a writhing mass of pink tendrils, a living spaghetti monster of the abyss. This is the aptly named spaghetti worm. It extends its long noodle-like tentacles across the seafloor, using them to trap and eat tiny particles of food. It looks less like an animal and more like a discarded prop from a horror movie. A chaotic bundle of nerves and muscle just drifting in the current. Now, prepare for something that's all teeth and terror. Meet the dragonfish. This is a creature made of nightmares. It has a massive jaw filled with needle-sharp, transparent teeth, so long they don't even fit inside its mouth when it's closed. It has to dislocate its own jaw just to swallow its prey. And as if that's not enough, it uses bioluminescence, a glowing lure dangling from its chin to attract unsuspecting victims in the pitch black. It's a tiny predator, but in its world, it's a ferocious king. Think the blue whale is the longest animal on Earth? Think again. Deep in the ocean's twilight zone lives a creature that can grow longer than a city bus, longer even than a blue whale. It's the siphonophore. But here's the twist. It's not a single animal. It's a massive colony of thousands of individual organisms called zooids, all linked together and working as one. Some zooids are for eating, some for reproduction, and some are for stinging and capturing prey. It's a giant, drifting, colonial superorganism, a floating city of life stretching for dozens of meters through the dark water. How do you survive when food is incredibly scarce? You evolve the ability to eat anything, no matter the size. Enter the black swallower. This fish has a stomach that can stretch to an unbelievable degree, allowing it to swallow prey more than twice its own length and 10 times its mass. We found them with their stomachs so grotesquely expanded that the skin is transparent, revealing the undigested fish inside. It's the ultimate glutton of the deep, a living testament to the eat-or-be-eaten rule of the abyss. Fans of horror games, this one's for you. The ghost shark, or chimera, looks like it was designed by a monster artist. It has pale, milky eyes that seem to stare into your soul, stitched-together skin, and wing-like fins that make it glide through the water like a phantom. These are ancient fish, relatives of sharks and rays, that have been haunting the deep for millions of years. They even have a venomous spine on their back for defense. Seeing one on camera is like watching a specter from another age drift by. What if I told you there's an animal with no brain, no heart, no eyes, and no blood? It sounds impossible, but that's a perfect description of a comb jelly, or ctenophore. These gelatinous creatures look like alien spaceships, pulsating with iridescent rainbow lights that ripple down their bodies. These lights aren't from bioluminescence. They're caused by tiny beating hairs called cilia scattering the light. They are simple, ancient, and utterly mesmerizing, a living prism drifting through the eternal night. Imagine living your entire life without ever seeing a single photon of sunlight. This is the reality for countless creatures in the deep sea, like the vampire squid. Despite its terrifying name, it's not a bloodsucker. It's a small, gentle creature that lives in the oxygen minimum zone, a place where most other animals can't survive. When threatened, it doesn't release ink. Instead, it pulls its webbed arms over its body, turning itself inside out to reveal rows of fleshy spines. It's a master of defense, a survivor in one of the harshest environments on the planet. Finally, we come to the greatest mystery of all, the shadow giants. Sonar readings and fleeting glimpses have hinted at colossal creatures, things far larger than any known deep-sea species. Sailors have told tales of giant squids battling whales, and recent footage has captured shadows that defy explanation. Are these the legendary krakens? Or a new type of abyssal leviathan we have yet to discover? These fleeting encounters remind us that the deep sea is the last true frontier on Earth. We have better maps of Mars than we do of our own ocean floor. From faceless fish and transparent skulls to colonial giants and living ghosts, the abyss is a realm of unimaginable wonders and horrors. Every dive brings new discoveries that rewrite our understanding of life itself. What other secrets are waiting in that crushing, silent darkness? We've only scratched the surface. The mystery of the deep sea is far from solved, it's only just beginning.